Umentri rang ba akajala kon rat ke sangma hakasngi palai ulapun kup buram yaki kaitor bat kinong put nong tem kibaladan benta hakani kam la palat khat san snem hakajing yalang jong Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project Season 2 kebalapan long hamariat shalong. Hakani kajing yalang lai dan lang ru uklur aklim ke Bollywood u John Abraham kumudong syakhat ngobha bakerpang. Haba pini ia kajing ia kaput katem dala dia hakapor samla u konrad uloong baki program kum ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project kanyarap hai ki kaitor baki nong put nong tem ki bedang sedang ya kakam. Ulakran ya kajing dan kam ki start ban betin linti ki samla badan sab bat terbaru ban ajing kersan song pisah haga ban thit ki tiar put tiar tem. Nakaliang u John Abraham ula ajing ya ro ya kajing persang jong ke Sorkar ban kersan ki samla haka kamelekai bat kaput katem. Hagani kajing yalang lapun kup buram ru yaki kaitor bat kinong put nong tem bala paunam bat la pelaj ru ya kakot The Songs of Our People. Ke Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program 2 balapan sedang nadu ke Sautari ko risau ahajar arpulai kelapan long hadu nyo spa live hoteli ki rensan ya put ya tem hapo kejela hak bagi nong rwai bagi nong put nong tem kila yo ban kamai 10,000 tingkah hadu 4,000 tingkah na kawai ke rensan ya put ya tem.
Of our young musicians and the youth in general really gives me a great sense of satisfaction, I must say. Learn the keys, the solos, which we used to struggle to just even get a note of what it was, and of course we didn't know what scales were. We just used to play as per whatever we could understand. So that the landscape has changed. There's a lot of technology now and a lot of opportunity there. And really I would want our musicians to now start engaging at that level with the use of technology, with the use of different tools and taking music to a new level. And therefore it's a great time to be a musician. You have access to a lot of support from the government. You have a lot of access of technology today that can help you really improve, like we have come out and Mr. Banerjee has come out with this book, The Songs of Our People. Similarly, just about a week back, we have come out with a book on the treks of Meghalaya. So the natural trekking routes that we have.
We're so happy to have you, and it's not just about another association. It's because you stand for the right reasons, the right causes, and we're very honored to have you. So thank you so much. And to all the artists out here. Keep living your dreams. You're very fortunate. In my time, I probably didn't have the support of governance and of systems and of structures to help me in my processes and my dreams. I always wanted to be a football player and I could not become one. Today you've got the opportunity where the Honorable Chief Minister, being a musician and a fantastic musician himself, is here to promote and push each one of you. I would say, take advantage of this situation, make the most of it, go out there, play your hearts out, enjoy this art and this talent that you really possess, and have a great time.